Okay, little atar review outside in the balcony. I don't think you can see anything. It took like half an hour to be able to get my results, but I'm scared. I hate on the phone format. It shows your score right away, but predictions. AB 79, 78, 81, or and then English 35, at least a 35, 32 maybe, 32 to 35. Methods, I feel like I failed it. 25 or below, at least a 25 to at least a 25. And then bio, I flopped the exam. Probably got a 31, 32. General, so I had low-key kind of saw my general score when I logged in. 40 to 42. I don't want to expect too much. And then chemistry 28. That's pretty low. That's really low. But I should have just looked at my Gmail results or whatever. But okay, I'm scared. I should actually, you know what? I should just look at my Gmail results. Come out. Okay. Recording this so I don't cry. Memories. I actually have NTT3 marking for good mark. Oh shit. Oh my god. I saw it. My bias got down. I said I'm bio. Wait, how do I cover this? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna zoom in really a lot. The mist. Bio. Yeah, bio, I saw it. I scaled down. Wait, I got a B? No way. I literally left so much out there. Oh wait, that's probably like a 32. 33. Honestly, like, I was aiming for 40 at the start of the year, so it's kind of, I don't know, okay, better than I thought. Kinda. I'm scared for methods. Chemistry. I probably got 20. 29. Not bad. English. A. Got a B. I wanted an A. 35! Let's go. Is this in general methods? The whole? General methods. Good. Oh. 8. We're kidding, right? We scaled down? I passed methods. But my general, I didn't get a 40. I passed methods though. Wait, I passed methods. Holy crap, I passed methods. 76. I got 39 in general. Hey, how's my sack scale down? I can't see it. Wait, I'm actually so sad. I passed methods though. 39 in general. I got an A plus on the exam. Where's my sack scale down? Wait. I don't think I even got an 80 at this point. Good. Yeah, I skipped the writing. Wait, I didn't even get a... I didn't even get a 40 in general. Are you serious? Wait, I don't even want to look at it. I'm actually really sad. I passed methods, so I'm happy I passed methods. I'm really happy I passed methods, but... Five-minute intermission. I'm ready now. Where? Oh my god.